Former Police Minister Bheki Cele is facing fresh questions over his ties to controversial businessman Vusimuzi Matlala, who is at the center of multiple criminal probes and accused of infiltrating police structures. According to a News 24 publication, Cele made at least 10 phone calls to Matlala on 9 May, days after the collapse of Matlala's 360 million rand health and risk services contract with the South African Police Service. In his subsequent arrest, Matlala, who allegedly threatened to take SAPS to court if the deal was scrapped, ignored or rejected all the calls. Records reveal the pair had exchanged more than 100 calls and messages over time, despite Cele publicly denying any friendship or business relationship. Pressed on the matter, Cele conceded he had tried to meet Matlala but snapped back at reporters and said, "I know him, but friends, no, you are not a commission." This investigation further uncovered that Cele stayed twice at Matlala's luxury penthouse at the capital, Mainland Main in Pretoria. Hotel records show Matlala personally arranged access, describing Cele as his friend and business partner. Cele confirmed using the apartment but denied any business dealings. Matlala's company, Medicare 24 Tshwane District, controversially secured the multi-million rand SAPS contract in 2022, beating established insurance firms just a week after Cele left office. The deal was later cancelled over fraud, fronting and poor performance. By then, the Special Investigation Unit and the Hawks were already circling Matlala, probing questionable payments flagged at Tembisa Hospital by whistleblower Babita Dekoran before her assassination. The KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Ndledla Mkhwanazi, has branded Matlala an underworld figure who allegedly captured senior police leaders. Now behind bars, Matlala faces a string of serious charges, including attempted murder, money laundering, and defeating the ends of justice. His name has also surfaced in investigations into the attempted murders of businessmen Joe Ferrari, Sibanyoni, and DJ Fetsis. Matlala was arrested in connection with the 2023 attempted murder of actress Tebogo Tobejane, his former lover. The revelations have intensified scrutiny of Cele's conduct during and after his tenure, deepening concerns about the extent of organized crimes reach into South Africa's law enforcement structures. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.